Hi guys, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today's demonstration is going to be on a unit out of a 1966 T-Bird, an AM-8 track. This customer has requested that the unit be repaired to a standard stock. About half of these models that come in are repairable. The other half have bad output transformers, and the only option is to do an internal conversion. This radio was actually in pretty decent electronic shape. The output section looks good, and so it was repairable to a stock. So let's go ahead and turn it on, make sure it works before we send her back. This will be, compared to the conversion jobs, which represent most of my videos, this is going to be a really short test.
From their daily aches and pains by non-drug, non-pharmaceutical.
So there's my AM station 1130. Pick up one or two more faint ones towards the high end of the dial, so we'll just check that. It's not really a station.
They were in an arc of history that was...
Okay, that's a station.
...inevitable, that we were headed.
Okay, and that's it for this area. We have 2 AM stations, so not a very exciting...
And you think back to
not a very exciting test. Let's check our balance control, make sure that all that stuff's working right.
In fact, you probably never use your timeshare, and you have to keep paying those...
Alrighty.
My friends at Lone Star
Balance left.
help you get out of your
all the way right.
in an effective and legal way.
All the way left.
The process is quick and has
all the way right.
Happy customers.
Okay, back to center.
Lone Star transfer.
And the last thing to test, of course, is the 8-track. So let's get rid of this.
Sure you
got some Anne Murray on deck. Check our balance again real quick. Just to confirm that we have both sides working. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Ready?
We're getting out of town.
And we're going to try another tape just to make sure we didn't get lucky with that one. Got some temptations going in.
Lots of love of that. At least a new 20.
Jones has got a new car today. Here's what you should only made of mine. If you question my mind, maybe you can watch your far away.
Alrighty, pull the tape out. Radio should come back.
Get back to the community.
And there's our radio.
Better place.
Okay, that concludes the test. Everything's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job and possibly a hamburger. So let me get on out of here. If I can find myself, I found myself. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Doctor, for your business from Columbus, Indiana. And I did forget to mention the customer. This is a unit for Roy, a prominent doctor in Indiana. My website's in the description below if I haven't already mentioned it. Thank you for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.